Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Soundcore P30i. You can play and pause the song by pressing 3 times on your right earbud. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's make it another way. It works. 1, 2, 3. And now I pause the song. 1, 2, 3. And I play a song. If you wanna increase the volume, you can press 1 time on your right earbud. So press 1 time, and you increase the volume, and again, and it increases the volume again. And to lower the volume, press 1 time on your left earbud. 1 time, and again, and as you can see, it works. Now, to play a next track, you should press 2 times on your right earbud. 1, 2. Here we go. And to play previous track, you should press 2 times on your left earbud. 1, 2. Here we go. Now, if you press 3 times on your left earbud, you will call your assistant. I have iOS, so I call Siri. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, Siri is awake. Cool. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbuds. Now I will show it to you. So now somebody call me. 1, 2. And I answer the call. Now, if you wanna finish the call, you should press and hold on your left or right earbuds. And as you can see, it works. Now you can reject, of course, a call by press and hold on your left or right earbud. So press and hold. And as you can see, I reject the call. And the last one, you have also ANC and transparency modes. So you can swap between them by press and hold on your left or right earbud. So press and hold, and now I swap to transparency mode, and if I press and hold again, I will swap to noise cancellation mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!